Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy Rick, aka Iconic. Just wanted to bring you guys into my world of trading. A little bit about me. I've been trading for probably about 9 years, and to be honest with you, no success. I've done all methods of trading, um, and I think I finally got it. So, again, I'm not a successful trader. This is me showing you guys that I'm going to sign up for an FTMO account, which this is actually my second FTMO account. The first one, I so you have the challenge, you have the verification phase, and then you have the phase where you're actually funded trader. The challenge, I did pass the challenge. I made the $5,000, and then the verification phase where I have to make $2,500, I end up failing. Why did I fail? Because honestly, I said to myself, oh, if I made 5 grand, I could make 2,500. I mean, that's easy. So I ended up just throwing out the rules and I just started using super large lot sizes, not really checking on my daily loss or my max loss. And I ended up blowing the account. So I actually tried to sign up again last night, but my bank declined the charge because obviously I'm in the US, that's out of the country. It looks like fraud. But they called me this morning and I took care of that. So I'm going to go back in and I'm actually going to be signing up. I was signing up for the $25,000 last night, but I'm doing the $50,000 today. I'll be honest up front, I sold my gym equipments. I sold some stuff around my house that way I could fund this venture. So join me on this venture as I become, I take you through all my trades, the metrics, and join the channel, share with your friends. Hopefully I can inspire someone. And again, even if I don't do good, I can still inspire someone, letting them know that, hey, you may not have the money right now, but there's things that you can do to get that money and fund that account. All right, so let me go ahead and log in. Okay, so like I said, this was the first challenge that I did back in February. I ended up with a balance of $5,015 since passed, and then on the verification phase, I end up failing. Okay, so this is my first YouTube video, so it's not gonna be perfect. I might sound nervous, which I am. I'm not a salesperson. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just a guy that's trying to trade so he can take care of his family. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set up a new challenge. Okay, and hopefully my bank don't decline it again. I don't think they should because I communicated with them. So we're gonna do the 50K. So we're gonna agree. It's gonna be 406, but I think you have to pay a fee to complete the process. So 406. The last time I paid it was $423. I think that was some kind of inconvenience, not inconvenience, but a convenience fee. All right, so I have a Visa card. I'm gonna do Visa. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. That way I can enter my card details. Okay, so I unpaused it, waiting for it to go through. Okay, transaction accepted. So let's go back. All right, so let's go to the client area. I don't know how quickly they're gonna set up the challenge because the last time I did it, they emailed it to me. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna cut this video really quick, cut it short, and then once I get the account details, I'll come back, log it into the MetaTrader platform, and then I will start looking for some trades. And my trading style is very simple. Support and resistance, or some people call it supply and demand, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'll be looking for. I have my Fibonacci. I'll just show a quick look at my platform here. And what I'm going to be mostly trading is the US 30 And the reason why is because if I'm going to put in the work, which I think I've done, it's only right that I get rewarded. This pair or indices, it moves really fast. In the last 2 days on a demo account, I've probably made about 2,000 pips. Yesterday I did about 1,000 plus pips. Okay, and this is on a 50K account, and I took it up to $69,000. This is the FTMO demo. Okay, not really, don't really like demo trading too much, but I was just actually practicing the US 30 since I've never actually traded it. Always just traded the GBP and some other pairs, but I really like the way this moves, and I don't think it's gets as manipulated like the currencies do. That's just my thought. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. So again, I'm going to be uploading this once I get the details of the FTMO. We'll set it up. And actually, there it is. They just sent it to me. Okay, so I'll block out my credentials. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. I'm gonna put it into my FTMO, and then I will come back and then we'll start looking for some trades. Okay, guys, I went ahead and added the FTMO account information into MetaTrader. As you can see here, it's account number 130026653. And let's go back to FTMO real quick. Okay, FTMO. This is the information that they just gave me. It's 130026653, and this is the 50K account. Okay, all right. And you can see that it's not the free trial. Here are the free trials down here. This is the one that I'm currently doing, which is 69,000 balance that I started, which actually ends on the 7th. I think it's only like a 5-day trial. I'm not exactly sure. Okay, so brand spanking new FTMO challenge. I'm going to be trying to document every single trade. The reason why I'm into that trade, I'm not a fast talking person. Like I said earlier, I'm not a salesperson, so I might not be able to explain everything, so to speak, or it might, let me not say explain everything. It's not going to be like how I hear some YouTubers just sound like they're college professors. You don't need to be a college professor to trade. And if you could explain your system in a simple manner, that means a lot of people can do it. The only thing you can't really explain, in my opinion, you could tell, is being disciplined. And over the years, I was never disciplined. And that's something that, for me, that I think I'm a lot better today than I was in the past, because I could remember taking 30, 40, 50 trades a day just because it looked like it was a good setup. And that was me trading off the 1 hour chart. At the time, I was doing the 1 hour chart. And I was still like, oh, it's going up, trade. Oh, it's going down, trade. Oh, it touched that, trade. No confirmation, nothing. But today, I don't do that. I could literally go a day and not take a trade. If I do see a good setup, what appears to be a good setup to me, then I'll take the trade. There's some trades that I've dubbed. One is called the iconic drive. It's a 3-strike iconic drive. And then the other one is similar to what is called a 2B pattern, is where the market goes up, makes a high, and then within maybe, let's say, 4 hours, 1 hour candle, that last candle makes a higher high, just slightly above that one. And I'm looking for probably mostly spikes, not necessarily a flat top candle, where the last candle spiked through the first high. And once it breaks the close of that previous high with a nice bearish candle, then I'm looking to sell into that pair. If it's a strong bullish market, then you have to really take a lot of things into consideration. But those are some of the things that I'm looking for in the iconic drive strike. With that one is kind of similar, where the market pops up, makes a high, and leaves a tail, and then about 8 or 9 candles. It's not something that just happen all the time. Within about 8 or 9 1 hour candle, I mean, I guess you could find it on other time frames, but since I mostly trade off the 1 hour chart, I'm talking about the 1 hour chart. The market goes up. So we have one spike, market goes up within about 9 hours, spike out that first high, right? And then do the same thing again, 8 or 9 hours. That last candle spikes out that second high, right? So we have three drive, 1, 2, 3. And that last high, once it closes below the second candle close, I'm looking to short the market. So once I start trading the market, once I see these setups, I'll let you know. So right now, this is just an introduction video to what I'm doing. And I hope you guys like and subscribe to the video, and please share and join me on this journey as we become successful traders. Thanks.